I think let me give you the topic for the discussion today. Please write the topic is, and I'm sure you people have gone through the some clips which I've sent you, video clips I've sent you, and the topics which I've sent you, and cuttings which I've sent you. I will keep on doing that. You please keep on preparing from that. Some very good videos, short videos, if I find from YouTube, or otherwise I'll keep on sending you. You make your opinion on the basis of that. Plus, I will be sending the cuttings of the newspaper, so that also are important, so that current we can prepare. And yesterday, no, like Suraj was talking about the topics which are asked in the GD, so like Gandhian relevance, and also if you go on playlist of your PD education, you will find all the previous topics covered, and more or less topics are come from there, right? So just to go through, revise those topics, like women are good managers or not, that topic was also there. And these all topics are repeated topics, directly or indirectly somewhere related to what we have already done. So just to go through that, so that your revision is also good. Now the today's topic we will go for is economic development versus environmental degradation. Economic development versus environmental degradation. Economic development versus environmental degradation. Okay, so I think now we can initiate. We can start with Sadhana today.
Good evening all. My name is Sadhana and I am happy to open up the discussion. Topic for the discussion is economic development and environmental degradation. I found this topic of national importance. While observing economic development, we should take care of nature as well. We should not harm nature. In order to, that both the things are equally importance. These both the things should go in hand to hand with parallelly. With this note, I open the discussion for other fellow participants, and I found that each one of you are equally excited to talk over the topic.
Okay, Suraj.
Hello friends, my name is Suraj. I'm very glad to start this discussion. The topic given to us is economic development versus environmental degradation. I feel this topic is very, very relevant. I feel both are equally important in this modern age. And while thinking about economic development, we should take care that no harm is done to the environment. There are a few of the examples, like in Mumbai, for the metro rail project, 1,000 trees needed to cut down. So that's why there was a protest against it. And taking this into account, now I invite all of you to give your valuable opinions in this discussion.
Pallav.
Okay, good evening, friends. My name is Pallav, and I'm glad to initiate a discussion on the topic economic development versus environmental degradation. Friends, in my point of view, it is a thought provoking topic as the topic uh, depicts uh, current relevance in our day to day surroundings. With the increase in economy, we can see that people are much focused on developing of infrastructure, but there is not much emphasis on environmental issues. So that must be taken care of. And there, with the increase in pollution levels and global warming issues, people are suffering from various respiratory diseases. So it is a topic of much importance, and so I now invite all of you to on this topic.
Okay, so Rahul.
Good evening, all. The topic, I am very glad to initiate this discussion. It's a very relevant topic. The topic given is economic development versus environmental. Environmental degradation. Actually, after independence, the first problem as a developed nation, as a poor nation, first problem we had to address was poverty. So we were conveniently avoiding the problems of. In order to address the poverty, we were largely degrading our environment. like forest, water resources, groundwater resources. We were conveniently avoiding the fact of environmental degradation so far. But now we are in a position to address this issue. This is the correct time to address this issue, I think, since we have reached the third largest food producer, position of third largest food producer. And poverty, we have also reducing the poverty drastically. So I think this is the correct time to address the issues. We are late already, but it's better know than late. So with this note, I am inviting all of you to join this discussion.
Okay, Ravikant.
Good evening to all. It is very interesting topic. Being economic development and environmental degradation, both are correlated, interrelated. If you understand the topic, we did the economic development from the conservative in the earlier point of view, then there is a environmental degradation takes place. Just like if you use fossil fuels, then burning of fossil fuels cause the emission, and we got the economic development at the word of the environmental degradation. So now we have to discuss how we can do the economic development by taking care to support the environmental, so that we can pursue all the things in a balanced way. So I want to open the discussion further.
Aminur.
Good evening, my friends. Today I am glad to initiate today's discussion. The topic given for the discussion is economic development versus environmental degradation. So this topic is really current relevant topic, and we can say that economy is also important, and our environment is much more important than economy. So as we know about that, global warming effects is going on, means it is in the peak level. So deforestation definitely harms this effect. This effect risk due to deforestation, and for industry, growth of the industry, the deforestation is required. So we have to we should see in the direction as in the environmental direction also. So I hope after this whole discussion we will come to a great points, and so I want to open this discussion for all of you.
Neeraj.
Please go ahead.
Good morning, dear friends. My name is Neeraj Upadhyay, and I'm very glad to initiate this discussion. So my dear friends, the topic given for today's discussion is economic development versus environmental degradation. In my opinion, this topic is of current relevance and also of national importance. Friends, I agree to this statement fully, because as countries are developing day by day, the need for as countries are developing day by day economically, the demand for cleaner environment basically increases. So which also led to the discussion towards our topic, that is economic development versus environmental degradation. So therefore, now I invite all of you to participate in this discussion. Thank you.
Okay, so I think now our first round is done. We go for the second round now. So second round of discussion will last for 10 minutes, in which you people can talk among yourself and share your views. I expect a smooth discussion among all of you. So now I open the house for the discussion among all of you.
Okay, so when the industrialization started, when the economic growth started, industrialization took place. So that was the economic development was the need of that hour at that time. So industrialization carried on for a few years. Then everybody understood that, okay, no, environment is also important. Then came the Kyoto Protocol. Then from then onwards, there have been several conference of parties meetings where they have...
My dear friends, the Montreal Protocol. You have missed the Montreal Protocol also.
Okay.
That we have to.
I agree with my friend Suraj on the matter that as far as industrial development is concerned, there are certain areas which are of high priority, some areas are of low priority, and there are certain areas which are restricted. such
India
as
is more
ozone
than
depleted
fourth, that India is the
substances,
headquarter of the
carbon
solar energy
particles,
renewable resources.
plastic industry up to certain milligrams, chemicals, fertilizers. These some of the industries are prohibited.
Yes,
And
ma'am,
they
I
should
totally agree
obtain
with you.
a license
And
from the
and
certain
in
department to
yeah,
function.
and
Yes,
in
ma'am.
addition to this, I
And
would
in the
also like
matter
to
of
say
part,
that most
there
of the
is
industries
intervene
are
from
working
the
in
court and judiciary
in order
also.
to
When it is a matter of public importance and that local people goes to the court or judiciary to stop that industry functioning in that area, because it is harmful for agriculture and other purposes. In
But
that
what
case,
about economic development? Ma'am, what about economic development?
in
I
that
agree with
case,
Neeraj.
yeah, ma'am,
judiciary
I agree with
there
intervenes.
is
What
a
about economic
civilization
development?
thriving
We
in
are
a
not talking about
We,
economic
we
development.
don't
it is
focus on
it is
environment.
it is sure that their resources
Actually,
will
we
be
should go with
will be
both
harnessed.
economy
But the thing
and
is that
environment.
how
Actually,
all the
Pallav,
things
actually
are
the
managed.
problem is we have to prioritize the issue
We have
of
to move
first.
to renewable
First thing,
energy
actually,
resources.
we require both.
For economic development
Both
as well as
are required.
we
Yeah.
have to move for the renewable energy resources.
Actually,
It is
it
possible
depends.
that economic
Actually, it
development
depends
and
on the
environment,
location
the
as
protection
well.
of
Like,
environment
for
goes hand in
example,
hand,
Environment
and that
for
can
example,
only be
if
done
there
by
is a
sustainable
developed
development.
nation, so the conference of parties has more restriction for their carbon footprint as compared to as a developing nation. We have a little bit flexibility in spending a little bit more
Yeah,
of carbon
that's what I'm
footprint.
talking about.
Actually,
But
I'm
what
telling
about
about
emission of
sustainable
carbon?
development. Sustainable
Actually, we
sustainable
should go
development
with
is
the
a
formula.
process
The
by
carbon
which
emissions
That
are also
environmental
being increased,
protection
ma'am.
Proper
as
formula.
We can
well as
differentiate
economic.
which
no,
area needs to be
government is
developed more
you
and
were
which area has developed. So
no,
that's
Suraj, you were
why
right actually, but the problem actually was we were
Just like
not
a
in a
renewable
position.
Actually,
material.
I
Most of the
I have a
industries
very
do that.
valid point, and the point is that
They
in
have
the
because they want
industrial area
that
should
due to
be,
the emission of
it
harmful
should be
substances from the
sufficient
industries,
distance away from the
environment does not
residential
degrade
area,
as well as
isn't
ma'am,
it?
from cities.
so most of the
From main
companies such as
cities,
the
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 industry
problem
should
was
be
economic
Suraj has
development.
spoken about,
Level of poverty
earlier Suraj
our
has
nation
spoken
is
about,
very high.
there
So
are number
we
of
have to
trees,
provide. We
but
have to
in
actually here we
Mumbai,
are talking
Goregaon
about
area,
environmental
for the
degradation. That
development
means
of
whatever the
metro,
environment is present,
I
that is
wanted to
No,
degrading.
Suraj,
add,
yeah, that's
No,
what
no,
I'm
no,
telling.
Suraj.
wanted
We
to
are not
add,
only
I
That's what I'm
focusing
wanted
on
telling, that
to
sustainable
environmental
development
degradation.
is
We
the way
have to
by which
focus
we
on
can
environmental
If
ma'am,
we can
environment
clear.
is
I want to
degrading because
add
of
one
the
Okay, but
economic
point.
development, we have
There
to
was
focus
a
on
Very
metro.
important one.
but
there
factories,
is a way
Metro is
there is a
more
way to
set up
manage
important
outside
than
this
trees. What
factories set
happened
up
in
economic
outside
Mumbai?
degradation means
also
cutting
degrade
of
the
forest,
And
environment.
in Mumbai, in
depletion of
Goregaon
ozone
area,
industries
layer,
are working in
isn't
relation
it?
to it.
yeah, industrial waste going to the rivers, dying of the flora and fauna. So
Yeah,
all these are
how
environmental
all
Actually,
the
degradation.
waste
Suraj,
produced from
actually,
the industries
yes.
can be reused.
Yes,
That's
Paris
what
Summit for
that's what the point
environmental
of sustainable
protection
government
development is.
Wanted to
is
support
about
the
to
point
happen
of
in September
Suraj
of
on
2021.
the case
For
of
this
make
what
some
purpose,
rules
happened
there
and
has
regulations.
been
in Mumbai.
like,
In Mumbai, there was a construction of metro going on,
yeah,
and number of trees has been cut within a night in Goregaon
Ma'am,
area.
ma'am,
But
Yeah.
just
metro is
I want
very
to ask
much
one
required
question.
in Mumbai.
Sadhna ma'am,
That is why even if there are so many agitation, that move is acceptable. It is required
Sadhna ma'am,
because
I want
Mumbai
to ask you
cannot
one
survive
question. You
without
have put one
metro
point that
due to high
the
The
population,
governments are
isn't it?
also
far
deploying
from
laborers
residential
in order
area.
to
Ma'am, I want to ask one
comply
question
with the road
that you said
construction.
that industry should be set up far from the main city. But do you
I
really
wanted
think
to
that
quote an example.
after setting the industries far from the residential area, the environment will not be degraded? I want to ask one question, ma'am.
I
yeah,
agree
actually
with
it
my
will be
fellow
degraded,
participant.
but
What
there are
happened
some
in
stringent laws that are
in
imposed
Bhopal
on
gas
the
tragedy?
industries
What happened?
that they
In
can
Bhopal
release
gas
the waste
tragedy,
into
what
the
happened?
water
Yeah,
up to a
and that can
certain
be
limit.
Number of
reused.
people still we
Yeah,
are
Yeah, Suraj,
and the
that
suffering
can
from
chimneys
it.
Ma'am, that was
and the
human
That
chimneys
fault.
that are
Bhopal
built
gas
at
tragedy.
that
Ma'am,
height
that
of
was
this
human
chimney
fault.
is
My
decided.
friend.
That was
we
human
need to
fault.
know is we are
Misconduct.
addressing the
And
problem
then
of we are addressing
very
the problem of
very
environmental
important point.
Even
issues
the
right now.
Bhopal
Some
tragedy is
industries
from a
have
human
of the
fault, but
Paris
it
Summit
happens
is about to
only
happen
because
in
of
We can
September of
see
industrial
this
that
year,
area
and
in
we
this
have
nearby
already
to
agreed
facilities.
for
real
all the
Isn't it?
compliances
world,
of
real
Paris
estates are
Agreement.
growing at a
Ma'am,
faster rate,
ma'am,
but there
ma'am,
is
some
least
industry
importance
has
given to
stopped
environmental
working nowadays.
issues.
So I
this
think
must be
I have to add
addressed
one point.
at much
Ma'am,
much
economic
importance.
development
If
is also
industry is-
important, but a balance
if
should be there
I-
between economic development
Exactly,
and
exactly,
environmental
Neeraj.
degradation.
Yeah.
there should
That
be
a balance
Exactly,
should be
balance.
there,
Yes, yes, yes.
which
yes.
actually leads
Because
to the
this
sustainability.
global warming, it is a worldwide issue. Global warming
Yes.
we are facing,
Yes, ma'am.
and because
Yes,
of
Sadhana
that,
madam, yes,
there is
exactly.
a
Global
increase
warming
in
is an issue.
temperature.
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
it
global
was an
warming is-
issue.
and
But
It
now
is,
things
it is
some
not limited to
industry
the
has
India. It is worldwide
stopped
issue.
working.
Global warming.
Sadhana madam, we
And
have
we
a
have
different
seen-
issue here
As
addressing.
we have seen
Other-
that there was a natural calamity in Dehradun, sorry, in Kedarnath. All the temples were got blown away by the floods.
It was a
That
flood
was not a
problem. I
cause of
think,
environmental
Pallav, I
degradation.
agree with you,
Pallav,
Pallav.
don't
There was a
relate
flood
solution
problem.
actually.
Heavy flood was
Yeah.
there at
No, no, no.
Kedarnath.
That was
I would like to
actually
Because of
one thing I
global
would like to
warming,
add here.
that
No, no, no.
ice,
That problem is
Actually,
deforestation.
the
Yes,
problem
that
By
was
of
2030,
there
by
was a heavy flood.
2035,
Yes, yes, yes.
Ganga
Some
River is totally going to
solution.
be dried up. How many of
Yes.
you people know
So
that
how-
by 2035, Ganga River is going to be dried up? So
how
we are
it can be solved? We should discuss on that.
I mean,
Sir, what you
we are
saying,
already
sir? You
solving
that is the
different
problem.
topic.
We are
I
already
I wanted to
solving
give
this
a
Impact
very
of
good
that
example. I wanted
global
to
warming
give
because
are more
excessive
and
a
more.
very good
land
example
where
of
the
economic
Paris
development
Agreement,
and
where the
environmental
ecosystem does
degradation.
not permit
We
we
are-
have
want to
I
give a
wanted
very
to
good
correctly
quote
example.
pointed. We
one
have a
the
example that
establishment of
earlier
infrastructure
there
or the
used
Paris
to be
Agreement, but still we are
there
residential
are
areas.
I have
there are
one
total
solution.
12
I have one
months in a
solution.
year.
Trying
It
to
is
give-
used to be
I have
4
one
months
solution.
of
build
winter
homes
season,
and
Yes, yes.
4
I
months
have one
of
solution. Very
summer
important
season,
solution
they
is
are
that
4 months of rainy
nowadays
season.
many
from
industries
the side
stopped
All
working.
the
from
entire
Paris
So if
circle
you
might
has
affect the
been
want to
changed
population
install
around.
some
residing in that
industry,
area.
And now
then
there
So that's
is,
what my
it
point
is
was.
industry should
raining
be
happening
installed
for
in that
6
area where
months.
now industry
Isn't
is
it?
not working.
Actually,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
our
Earlier,
economic
it
development,
is- it
oil and
used to
natural
be
gas is
equal
very, very
earlier.
important.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for our economic development, this ONGC and all those oil limited companies are taking out, extracting oil and bringing us here.
No,
So it's
Suraj,
an
that
economic
was a
development.
myth actually.
But
and most
That
of
was a
because
myth
of that,
actually.
what happens?
most of the
Oil
chemical
spills.
industries
If my
are
dear
also
friend-
having
For
one
myth
solution.
actually.
industry-
We don't require
Sugar
oil and
requirement.
natural
I
gas.
have a point.
Oil
I have
spills
valid
is a
point.
to have a
environmental
point to
degradation
vehicle.
part
Most
of
of
the
the
development.
most of the
Oil
Let
chemical
me
plants
speak.
are
Let
me
trying to solve
speak.
the problem of
Solution.
eutrophication.
Pallav, let me speak. Let me speak. What
Okay.
how
Sanna
it
ma'am,
is
Sanna
to be
ma'am.
addressed,
I
that
have one
should be
solution.
talked also.
Ma'am, extraction of
There
oil
should-
doesn't
there are
mean that we are
certain-
degrading the environment.
There are certain
Actually,
that is
steps
also important.
initiated by
Neeraj,
the government.
what happens is, actually I'm
that
saying that there are few
industries
problems of oil
which are
spills
pollution
which
free,
results into
they should
Eutrophication.
plant
environmental
number of
degradation.
That is
trees in
eutrophication,
their
not
area
eutrophication.
to
Yeah,
control the
there is an
pollution.
excessive
Actually,
growth
we
of
don't require
They
oil.
used to
Actually,
pay
we can
heavy
use electric
taxes to
vehicles.
the
We can use
government.
solar,
the water
solar
bodies.
Isn't
power
it?
Actually, I
plants.
have given an example of economic development versus environmental degradation.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Suraj,
But
Suraj,
how
Suraj.
it is
Actually,
addressed by the
with my
government?
point,
Government
point
is
that
giving
industry-
them licenses
many
and they
industry
need to
stop
plant
working, okay?
number of trees in their areas.
Ma'am,
And they
ma'am,
have
I
to pay
understood.
much more tax to government in
Yes,
order to
ma'am.
take care of their
Sanna, ma'am.
pollution control measures.
Yes,
That's my
Isn't it?
point.
So,
That's my point.
how
That
this
industry is
problem
now,
is
now,
addressed is-
now stop working. Okay.
No,
So
actually,
many
the
many
cutting of
industries, if,
trees-
if new industries need to install,
See,
then
the
install in
works
the
are really going
that-
on.
that
Many
whosoever
societies are being
stopped
set up,
working.
and also
Suppose
the
there
two
is some
protocols are being set up.
leather
That is
industry,
protocol
leather
and the
industry,
protocol.
wheat
Any trees.
industry is
One
there,
thing I would like
isn't
to
it?
But
mention about
they
It
this
is
have to
very
meet some
harmful
standards.
industries.
that sustainable
Le-
development is only the way to manage all these problems. Because
To be
if,
I agree
to make a
with
balance between them.
sustainable
Yes.
development is
Yes,
implemented
yes, yes.
Yes.
implemented in these problems,
Pallav, I agree with you.
then
Agree.
environmental
Pallav, I agree
resources
with
can
you.
be harnessed in a balanced way along with the economic development.
Yes.
And
Yes,
most of the
That means we
companies,
should
most of
only
the
use
chemical
that
industries,
much natural resources that we need, and we
Yeah.
should keep that natural resources for
what is
future. That is the
is
sustainable
required by
development.
And
as
we
we
should
should
not
And the
compromise, and we should
industries-
not compromise by the present situation. We should not
The
compromise with the
industries
present situation
which
and
are-
also development.
which are using natural
Actually,
resources,
if we-
they have to create
Yes.
that natural resources in twice the numbers. acres, that should be condition from the government. When they are using 100 trees, they have to plant 200 trees to take care of the environment. Isn't it true?
Okay,
Yeah,
I
We
think
know that in
now
the
we
Union
can.
budget
Plantation
there was
is one of the
hydrogen
solution.
mission. That
Yes,
means
Sarna
they are
ma'am.
moving towards
Okay, I
those,
think now we can conclude. So I want Neeraj to conclude first.
Yes. Okay, friends, now I'm taking the opportunity to conclude this discussion. Friends, we have very good discussion today and many good things come out. I must say that majority good things come from this discussion. First good thing is that environmental degradation is okay, but the economic development is more important. But we should abide by the rules given by the government. There and also some major societies like which Suraj has also mentioned that some protocols were also set up like Kyoto protocols, Montreal protocols. So we should maintain the decorum according to that protocol, and we should do economic development, but also we should take care of the environment which is being degraded day by day. Sadhna ma'am has said that the emissions of many harmful gases, CFCs and all those things, ozone layer has been depleted, which is also not good. So we should keep in mind those things, but on the other hand, the economic development is also important. So with this, I conclude this discussion. Thank you.
Amindur?
Thank you. So I am going to conclude the whole discussion. So in this discussion, we have got some very important points out of it. So first, we need to, we have got one point, that is plantation. Plantation is the solution, maybe the solution. And second thing is that ozone layer depletion, such type of things we have got from this point. So our industrialization is required for our economic growth, but there is some rules and regulation we should abide by that. That is also a point we have got from this discussion, whole discussion. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Ravi? Okay, Ravi is not there, I suppose. Then Rahul?
Friends, we had a very good discussion and many things came out. First of all, I would like to agree with Sadhana madam and Pallav totally. If we are cutting 10 trees, then government has to impose laws to plant 20 trees. Also, Pallav said sustainable development, we can go both economic development and sustainable environmental degradation can be both solved in a sustainable way. I agree with Pallav as well. But one thing I would like to point out as my personal opinion, as just before I said, we had a greater issue of solving poverty, especially as a poor country. 1/4 of our citizens have access to food only one time. So we must not forget that factor as well. We have to focus on environment as also. So we had a very good discussion. Thank you for the opportunity to conclude.
Okay, Pallav?
Okay, so at the end, I would like to conclude that it was a healthy discussion and several points came out from the discussion. The main emphasis was on solving problems of eutrophication, oil spills from several industries, air pollution related problems, which must be kept under control so that mainly the ozone layer, which is getting depleted, is that problem is to be solved. And the last thing which I concluded from the discussion was effective harnessing of natural resources, which can be done only by sustainable development. So thank you.
Okay, now Suraj?
Okay, we had a very good, fruitful discussion. We started with the industrial revolution because at that time economic development was really, really necessary. So it is time dependent. So we had a industrial revolution, economic development, but after which resulted into global warming and Earth giving its effects. Then we moved on. We took some preventive, some measures like protocols, conference of meetings, parties, and we understood that we need to move on to sustainable development so that we could address these issues and reduce its effect on our Mother Earth. And a lot of measures have been taken by government, like Bharat Stage 6 came in to reduce the air pollution, and some stringent laws has been put on the developed nations by the United Nations to control the carbon footprint. So yes, there has been industrial economic development, but now people are taking measures to reduce its effect on the environment. So yeah, I'll conclude with that.
Okay, Sadhana.
Glad to conclude. It was a brainstorming session, and so many out of the box thinking came out from all the participants. And majority of the participants of the view that sustainable development is required, and side by side, environmental should be taken care of. We've spoken about Bhopal tragedy, we've spoken about Kedarnath tragedy, and we've spoken about Ganga River also. And Pallav spoken about global warming issue, but everybody of us agreed on the point that uh, environmental as well as industrial development is of prime importance, and it should be carried forward in a good manner. With this, I will conclude the discussion.
Okay, so I think everybody has spoken now. So this topic, I tell you, is a ever generic topic and evergreen topic. You know, it is always you have to. As I told you, there are two kind of topics normally. One, the topics which are in current relevance. I have recently sent you some of the topics which are of current relevance, especially related to COVID, budget we can talk about, and we can talk about bad bank, that is a bad loan related topics, and all economy topics. I will say they are the current topics, and even some political developments like Myanmar, whatever is happening, that is the topic which is in current, and Indo-China border issues, I can consider that also current topic, and farm bill are the current topics. But then on the other hand, there are some topics which are always in news, which are always relevant, which are evergreen topics. You know, this is one of them, like economic development versus environmental degradation. So such topics, once you prepare, they will give you also idea or confidence to participate in similar other topics. As I told you, know, if you do some 10-20 GDs, you will get so confident that whatever topic comes to you, you should be in position to speak out. Now, introduction, as I tell always, introduction and conclusion is all about structure. Introduction is not knowledge based, it is a structure based. You have couple of lines which you are otherwise also to add, and then some of the things you can put into that related to topic. Conclusion is all about what you have learned and what group says, that is a conclusion. You have to only rephrase that. And body is nothing but listen to others, either agree with them or disagree with them, give your own opinion. This is all, I'll say, the body. So where is the difficulty in GD? GD is all about this particular practice, what we have to do. Now, economic development versus environmental degradation. So how you could have started was, good evening friends, my name is Suraj and I initiate the discussion. I am glad that I got this opportunity. Friends, the topic for the discussion given to us today is environmental degradation, economic development versus environmental degradation. Yes, in my opinion, there is some kind of conflict, there is some kind of clash. बोलो ना उसको, yes बोलो, no बोलो, agree बोलो, disagree बोलो, एक sentence तो वही बन जाएगा तुम्हारा और वो effort डालेगा. Yes, friends, I do agree that there is some kind of conflict, there is some kind of clash, there is some kind of overlapping between economic development and environmental degradation. Now, you see, economic development is the necessity, because especially for countries like India, which is developing countries, we cannot afford not to develop, because economic development is something which is related to the quality of life of the people. It is related to quality of life of people. If we stop developing, we cannot provide the quality of life to the people of the country. So economic development is must. Now, on the other hand, we see practically that almost every economic development has some kind of environmental degrading component. Environmental degradation comes naturally with economic development. We can give the examples, friend, you can give the examples also. Like whenever you have to develop the roads are the, you know, arteries and the veins of country. So entire development takes place through road. So transportation has to be there. So once you develop road, you have to cut the trees. So now the question comes is, should you cut the trees or not? So friends, in my opinion, our discussion we can take, see, this is not introduction. I have, I think, elaborated more, but in introduction, some points could have been taken from here. So in my opinion, friends, the entire discussion can go in the direction of economic development is necessary. We cannot do away with this. Environmental degradation, how can we mitigate? How can we minimize? And is there any opportunity or option for sustainable development with us or not? So there is a term called sustainable development which we should focus on. So that term is something which we have to converge upon. ऐसे आप इसको आगे ले जा सकते थे. फिर उसके बाद तो ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों ने पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. And the topic in which you cannot talk much, at least you can give many examples. You can give. You can give examples of where do you see the environmental degradation, and then you can give the examples of if you talk about sustainable development, you can give example of sustainable development also. And in these kind of topics, always try to find the solution also. Though he's not asking you to find solution, but you can always find the solutions. Okay, friend, let me give you an example. If I'm to make a road, if I'm to make national highway, which is very important for development, I need to cut the trees. Now, what can be the alternative? So if I cut 100 trees, let's plant 200 trees. So there is something which is a responsibility of citizens and corporate social responsibility also. So we should fulfill those responsibilities. Every citizen is to fulfill the responsibility, and corporate also is to fulfill the responsibility. So that is how we could have started. Now let me give you the feedback of each one of you. Sadhana said nature is to be taken care of, and both should go hand in hand. Both there has to be balance. And you know, Sadhana in between said, okay, Pallav, I agree with you. So that kind of statements, one line statement can be added. Okay, I agree with you. Yes, yes, I don't agree. I don't agree. Sorry, Suraj, I don't agree with you. Pallav, I agree with you. Those kind of things can be added. As I told you, you need not to speak sentence always. You can use words also and make your presence feel. You can make the entire group feel your presence by using one word or two words of agreeing, not agreeing, disagreeing, something like that. Okay, Suraj, you said relevant for both. Suraj said it is relevant. Both are important. That is what Suraj said. Both are important domains. No harm to the environment should be done. And but Suraj, you started very early. I mean, you could have spoken more in introduction. You did not speak much in introduction. You suddenly you stopped. You could have used a couple of lines, and then Kyoto Protocol, I don't know why you mentioned Kyoto Protocol. This entire thing started in Earth Summit 1992.
Yes.
Rio de Janeiro में 1992 में Earth Summit हुआ था. In Earth Summit Rio de Janeiro, Brazil में पहली बार ये realize हुआ था that yes, environmental degradation हो रहा है, global warming की trouble है. So Earth Summit का main finding था global warming. That because of emission of carbon dioxide, fossil fuel, there is a global warming. So first time the first time globally it was accepted that yes, there is something which is called environmental degradation, you know, global warming. Kyoto Protocol बहुत बाद में आया था. I think it came in 2005 or something, quite late actually. And you should have talked more about that. Kyoto Protocol में तो हम global warming को control करने की try कर रहे थे. And this topic is not global warming. This topic is environmental degradation. Global warming is one small part of that actually.
Yes.
So then somebody said Montreal Protocol also. So you see Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, ये specific terms आ गई अंदर, जो मैं कल भी आपको बता रहा था कि अगर आपके पास knowledge है तो आप उसी को बताना चाहोगे, irrespective of कि वो fit हो भी रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. तो Kyoto Protocol यहाँ fit नहीं हो रहा था. अगर आपको सूरज फिट करना था तो you should have talked about that कि why you are talking about the Kyoto Protocol, because before Kyoto Protocol you have to talk about Earth Summit. So वो तो आपने उसमें बात नहीं किया था.
Earth Summit याद नहीं आया सर, उसके
तो ऐसे थोड़ी
याद आया.
वही बात होगी ना, vocabulary में जो word याद आ रहा है वो डाल दे रहे हो. So you are not.
नहीं, actually ये iPad के लिए आपके lectures में से Earth Summit पढ़ा था, वो सब पढ़ा था, पर फिर वो याद नहीं रहा.
नहीं तो उसको लॉजिक बनेगा नहीं तो तुम ऐड करोगे भी तब वो लिंक नहीं बनेगा ना उसमें. So Pallavi said it is a thought provoking topic, not much focus on environmental issues. So pollution वगैरह के बारे में आपने बात किया पल्लव. In the introduction you talked about the pollution. I think you were tilting your discussion more towards the pollution actually. आप इसमें pollution is a very small part of this entire. So you could have talked more about environmental degradation. You could have defined environmental degradation. and examples of that. In such situation, जब topic ऐसा हो तो उसके आप explain कर सकते हो, आप उसको open कर सकते हो, and you can explain that. Sustainable development was something which Pallav, you said the best. I mean, nobody thought quite उस time तक, and people appreciated you also. So sustainable development is something which is the answer to this economic development versus environmental degradation. And you could have, since you were talking about sustainable development, you could have defined it. Okay, friends, let me tell you what is the solution for this. Is sustainable development which I can sustain, which if it is taking place, it is not harming the environment, something like that you could have talked about. Then Rahul, you said I'm glad to initiate the discussion topic. Basically you talked about poverty is decreasing. The introduction part, Rahul, was not very clear. I mean, the way you were explaining that was not very clear what you want to say. I found you little deviating from the topic also. It was not very precisely said by you. Later on, in between, you were participating, but your trouble is like you are speaking at the same time when others are also speaking. So you are not very clearly audible in that particular thing. So parallel talking or parallel speaking is the main trouble in which you are caught, Rahul. So you need to avoid that. Listen to my video how to enter in the GD again and again. Okay, when you are to make your presence, when you are to make others feel your presence. So when everybody is stopping, then you enter with the words, don't enter with the sentence. So listen to your this video and you will find that yes, you are speaking when others are also speaking. People will not listen to you. Ravi, I think Ravi is not there. So Ravi in economic development, he did not talk much about the topic again. So, and you know, at one point of time, Ravi was also speaking parallelly and not listening to other members. So Ravi, Rahul, Aminur, they were actually involved in speaking continuously when these other people were also speaking parallelly. That was the main trouble which you're facing. So Aminur, global warming, deforestation. You talk about global warming. You could have said that global warming is one of the examples of environmental degradation, which is related to. But when you talk about global warming, then you should have talked about how global warming takes place. It is because of the fossil fuels, fossil fuel burning of the coal, carbon dioxide. So burning of the carbon is very important for economic development, friends, because energy is required. India is energy hungry country. We need power plants, we need electricity. And for power plant electricity, we need to burn coal, we need to burn petrol and fuel. And for that, global warming will come. So when you're talking about global warming, why you're not taking it back to electricity and carbon dioxide and burning coal, burning petrol, transportation? So nobody talked about that. We need to commute. We need to run our power plants. We need to have automobiles. So we need to have our factories. Why you are not talking about those things actually? Ozone layer depletion. Aminur were talking about ozone layer depletion. You know, ozone layer depletion is not at all a trouble nowadays. It is not even a depletion now. Ozone layer depletion problem is long back. It is sorted out.
Now it is under recovery, sir, after COVID-19 lockdown.
Tell me again.
Sir, it is under recovery after COVID-19 lockdown.
No.
As I heard of. Sir.
Ozone layer depletion is largely because of chlorine.
Yes, sir.
And long back people controlled it. So ozone layer depletion was not a problem even before COVID. It is not at all a problem now. And ozone layer depletion is not a global problem. It is just a name now. It is not at all a problem. It used to be in refrigerants, no, chlorine. So chlorine used to kill this ozone. So that is not a problem. Instead of ozone, you should have talked about carbon dioxide. Nobody used the term carbon dioxide. What is the main polluting thing? You know, gas is a carbon dioxide, global warming. That only is leading to floods. That is leading to global warming. That is leading to drought. So all these things are carbon dioxide. So ozone से पहले तुम्हें carbon dioxide की बात करनी चाहिए थी. So आपने बोला है, Aminur, you have spoken a lot, but you are not content rich. Content enrichment is required now. That is focus on that particular part now.
I feel on that, sir.
Yeah. So
actually,
you need to.
I was not. Yes, sir.
नहीं, वो कंटेंट कहाँ से आएगा? वो तुम्हें पढ़ के आएगा ना यार, और तुम बाकियों को सुनो. मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूँ कि जब बॉडी में डिस्कशन होता है ना, जब बॉडी के अंदर चले जाते हो तो तब उसके बाद तो दूसरों को सुन के ही तुम्हें पता लग जाएगा. अपना पॉइंट देने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. इफ यू आर इंटेलिजेंट एनफ, इफ यू आर स्मार्ट एनफ, GD में you need not to have any knowledge. Listening others and you will get the maximum marks. जैसे पल्लव ने सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट नाम दिया, अब उसका दिमाग से वो वर्ड निकल गया, तुम्हें पता लग गया सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट अच्छी चीज है, तो बोलना पल्लव यस, आई थिंक पल्लव हैज टेकन अ राइट पॉइंट नाउ, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. फ्रेंड लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज. अब तुम स्टार्ट कर दो उससे, तो माइलेज तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. तो तुम्हें कोई अपना टर्म कॉइन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. अगर तुम स्मार्ट हो ना, तो तुम दूसरों की बातें सुनोगे, उनमें फॉल्ट निकालोगे, उनके अच्छे पॉइंट्स पे आगे डिस्कशन करोगे और तुम्हें हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मिलेगा if you're smart. So you need not to have knowledge for getting maximum marks in GD. Only you need to be little cautious, little smart, little attentive. That's it. बोलते रहो, सुनते रहो, जो दूसरों से सुना वही बोलते रहो, rephrase कर दो, add कर दो, subtract कर दो. That's it. And I told you, you can always use a term that you are deviating from the topic. So friend, you are deviating from the topic. This is not the topic. Topic is this. तो वो हर बार होता है, लेकिन आप सेंटेंस यूज नहीं करते हो. एक सेंटेंस ये भी रखो बीच में कि फ्रेंड आई डोंट थिंक यू आर डिवेटिंग फ्रॉम द टॉपिक. इससे क्या एडवांटेज होता है कि ऑब्जर्वर को लगता है कि नहीं, ही इज अवेयर अबाउट द टॉपिक, ही इज स्टॉपिंग अदर्स आल्सो फ्रॉम द डेविएटिंग. और कई बार ऑब्जर्वर को आपकी ये लाइन सुन के ही पता लगता है कि अच्छा इज ही डेविएटिंग, तो ऑब्जर्वर भी जो कहीं घूम रहा होता है मेंटली, वो वापस आ जाता है, अच्छा व्हाट इज द टॉपिक. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो डोंट डेविएट फ्रॉम द टॉपिक. ये लाइन यूज करो बार कहीं पे, एक दो बार, एंड आपके पास एक लाइन मिल जाएगी. ये लाइन आपको मिल जाएगी. नीरज, you said this is a topic of national importance. Why national importance? Why not globally important or internationally important? तो आपने सेंटेंस अच्छा यूज किया कि फ्रेंड द टॉपिक गिवन फॉर द डिस्कशन इज दिस. इन माय ओपिनियन नॉट ओनली इट इज नेशनली इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज ग्लोबली इंपॉर्टेंट. सही है ना? तो वो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वैसा दे सकते हो. नॉट ओनली फ्रेंड इट इज नेशनली इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज कोविड है. कोविड का जो भी हम डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं कि फ्रेंड द टॉपिक गिवन फॉर टुडे इज after COVID, the impact of COVID shutdown or something. Not only it is nationally important, friend, it is internationally important, and this very very relevant topic. So I'm very sure all of us have very good points and all. तो आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो. आपने जल्दी इनिशिएट खत्म कर दिया इसका, अपने इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर दिया नीरज.
सर वो एक्चुअली सब कुछ पॉइंट्स याद नहीं आ रहा सर.
नहीं तो 4-5 तो वर्ड रटो ना यार, वही तो बोल रहा हूं.
ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके सर.
जैसे मैंने बताया इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट वर्सेस एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन, मैंने बोला कि टॉपिक ही डिफाइन कर दो चाहे इंट्रोडक्शन में, तो कि फ्रेंड वी शुड नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड वी शुड नो व्हाट इज द एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन.
यस सर.
एग्री करो स्टेटमेंट से, डिसएग्री करो स्टेटमेंट से.
तो मैंने बोला था सर, मैंने कि आई एम एग्री विद दिस स्टेटमेंट फुल्ली सर, मैंने बोला सर. ये
नहीं, ये तो स्टेटमेंट में एग्री डिसएग्री होने वाली तो स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं थी ये.
ओके सर.
ये तो वर्सेस है ना, इसमें एग्री डिसएग्री नहीं बोलना था. इसमें क्या बोलना था? इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट वर्सेस एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. यस फ्रेंड, आई डू एग्री दैट देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन.
यस सर.
स्टेटमेंट तो दी नहीं, वर्सेस बोला ना उसने, वर्सेस कंपैरिजन कर रहा है वो.
yes,
तो
sir.
वो कंपैरिजन कर रहा है, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू से. बाकी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट की आपने कंक्लूजन में एक गलत स्टेटमेंट यूज कर दिया. आई थिंक इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. ये कंक्लूजन में आपने बोल दिया कि ऑल ऑफ अस एग्री दैट इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन. अगर वहां पे कोई आपको टोक देता ना कि आई थिंक यू आर टेलिंग रॉन्ग नीरज, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज नॉट मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, बोथ आर टू गो हैंड इन हैंड.
Yes sir. Sir, I have also said one line sir कि sir balance is also important sir.
ये बात तो यही थी. तुम ये नहीं बोल सकते एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, प्रोटेक्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, ये भी नहीं बोल सकते.
ओके सर.
तो बात यहाँ छूटी थी तुम सब लोगों की कि दोनों को बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा.
यस सर.
बात तो यहाँ छूटी थी.
ओके सर.
राइट.
यस सर.
सो ये था, मतलब अगर आज का अगर मैं मार्क्स दूं तो साधना मैम और सूरज को ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल मार्क्स मिलेगा, followed by Pallav, Rahul, Ravi, and then I think Aminur and Neeraj will get the similar kind of score today. So वही है, आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें. बट अच्छी बात ये थी कि आज सभी ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, सभी ने बोला है आज. Everybody has spoken, that is the best part actually. तो अब होता क्या है कि आस्ता आस्ता लेवल इंक्रीज होना चाहिए तुम्हारा, and that is how it is going on. So I am happy that you were speaking today. पहला पार्ट वही है यार, बोलो 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 बोलो, स्पीक करो. You have to talk a lot, first step, and then you have to follow some structure follow करो यार, 4-5 लाइन, उसी से तुम्हारा निकल जाएगा. जीडीस तो उसी से निकल जाएगा. उसका कंटेंट एनरिचमेंट, और ये आर्ट है, ये प्रैक्टिस है. काम की बात बोलना, कैसे डिबेट करना, डिस्कशन करना, ये तुम्हें बहुत हेल्प करेगा आगे भी। और ऑब्वियसली मैं तुम्हें भेजता तो हूँ ही टॉपिक्स, उनको सुनो, उनका रिवाइज करो, उनको देखते जाओ, एंड अपने आप को एक बार प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर दिए तो छोड़ना नहीं है इस प्रोसेस को। मे बी who knows, after some years when you are into some job or something, these things help you really to go forward, right? Whenever you think of pursuing your masters of management or civil services or going abroad, these things will help you. So develop this is a part of your personality, right?
Okay, sir.
Anything you want to
Yes,
ask?
Sir,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, actually.
Actually, Pallav mentioned a very good point, that sustainable development. I have a doubt regarding the definition of sustainable development. That is it we should use resources only sufficient for us, and we should maintain them for the future. तो इसको
Yes.
कहते हैं क्या?
That is also one of the example. That is also one of the example of this, that whatever this generation is exploiting, it should not exploit it to the level that next generation does not get it. That is also one of the answers. Second is, whatever you are using, you create more than what you use. You know, like fission process, like you cut 100 trees, then you plant 100 trees or 200 trees. So it should be sustainable. Development should keep on going. It should not at one stage stop because of some trouble.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt, sir. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead,
Sir,
Rahul.
actually, sir, I am not able to articulate. Perhaps I am not able to articulate like Pallav. What I want to say was poverty. We had a greater issue of poverty when at the time of independence. So we focused more on development than rather than environmental issues. Now we have opportunity. So that was I want to, because we produce surplus energy, surplus food, everything we have achieved those levels. So that's what I want to say. But I was not able to articulate. Pallav and Suraj, like they were very clear in their communication, sir. So,
see, if
they
that is
have-
the case, if that is the case, I told you, you need not to articulate. If somebody is articulating, you just take their advantage. He articulated a term of sustainable development. You understand it and speak it in a different way. That's it. Copycat भी तो होता है, copy करो और paste करो, क्या trouble है? So if somebody is telling something, you copy and paste it again in your own words. That will help you. That will provide
there
you
is actually there is another trouble, sir. Actually, if you have an idea in your mind, then it is very difficult to get rid of that idea. You will always try to express that. So that
no, but see, if you find that it's not easy for you to come out and express that idea, then you listen to others what they are talking about. Either support them with small sentences or agree or disagree with them. That is how you get very less time. 10 minutes you get in GD. Precisely. So that 10 minutes you have to make your presence feel. You need to make others feel your presence, and you have to speak out. Small sentences. Don't talk about long sentences. Small sentences. Agree, disagree. Keep entering. That is how you can do. Right? Keep entering and telling 1 word, 2 word, 3 words, something like that. You can do that. If long sentences you are not getting.
Okay. So is there any suggestion, sir? Can I to develop my communication with this presence of mind?
Speak. It comes with that only. It comes with that only, because when you keep on thinking, when you keep on talking, it comes with that. Only thing is, we start certain things and expect the results very fast. There are certain things I tell you in life, like learning vocabulary, developing knowledge, developing communication skills. These are the things which take a lot of time. It is not that you can develop these things in a week or 1 month or something. You need to basically practice these things, then only it will come. Like vocabulary also, there's a passive vocabulary, there's an active vocabulary. Active vocabulary, the words which you are using every day. If you're using, then they will be in your long-term memory. Otherwise, they will not be. So just keep learning, keep listening to others, keep participating. That is the only way you will develop the ideas. And slowly it will come. Don't worry. Don't sit on your judgment so early.
Okay, sir. Sir, thanks.
Sir, will mirror talk help in improving our communication skill?
It does not work that way. I don't think so. I don't think, because you need to talk with people only. You need to talk with people.
If I go for an extempore, then will it help?
Yeah, speaking always helps, it always helps. Depends how much motivated you are in that situation.
Okay, sir.
That is, and moreover, we are human being, whenever we speak, we want our feedback immediately. Mirror does not give that. There's the only trouble. Even as an observer, no, some days my GDs are very good. Some days I don't feel satisfied with myself, my own performance. Sometimes I handle the entire GDs so nicely, feedback and everything. So that feedback I get from people like you. If you're satisfied at the end, I will say, okay, as a teacher, I've done my job. So that reflected appraisal or that feedback is very important for all of us. And only problem is this. What is the difference between online and offline classes? Online classes may you are teaching in front of camera does not give you feedback, but in the class of 100 students, when you see their faces and when they understand, as a teacher you understand, okay, I've delivered a very good lecture. So that is nothing but a feedback mechanism. So if in the mirror, yeah,
I want to tell something that even on Sunday you are working, sir. It is
Sunday?
really appreciable.
No, there's no Sunday for us. Okay, any other question you have?
Sir, I wanted to discuss about that personal interview of my practice. So should I join these GDs further, or after my PI I should think of joining these GDs from here
That is
onwards?
that is up to you. I think you have a good level now. You will clear all GDs in any situation.
My GD is over now.
Yeah. So it is good now. You can focus on some another part, Suraj. You can focus somewhere else. Yeah.
Yeah. Now PI is coming on, so I should start.
Unless until you are going for NITI Bombay interview. NITI Bombay mein GD is very important for job also and for getting into NITI Bombay also. So if you're good in GD, NITI Bombay you can get a job of 40 lakh also.
Yeah.
All thing required is GD.
Sir,
not only to enter into NITI, but to get internship also.
I gave GATE 2 times and I secured like my best rank was 1300. Still, I was not able to get a call for GD. So from this year onwards, I thought that okay, I'll not write GATE. I've started working in a private firm where my work is design related. So I'm thinking of preparing GDs where my strong
go for
subjects are.
You clear your IPAT, you will get call from some companies and their GD will be there, and then you can get a very good hike.
So no, but on our iPad, Yourpedia platform, the snaps are for thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, but my strong subjects are like machine design, strength of material.
So go for machine design. Go for snap of machine design.
Okay, yeah.
Virendra Siglani sir is authority on machine design. Go for him. What's the trouble?
Siglani sir, okay.
Sir, today was my exam of GATE.
How was it?
It was paper was moderate.
What was the branch?
Electrical.
How much marks you're getting?
So I have not calculated yet.
Roughly?
But I think I'll get around 40 to 50.
Good.
Because
apply
it was my first attempt.
See, there are many myths in GATE exam also. Some people think that low score means no career.
Sir, I did not attend any coaching, but then also I managed to solve the questions. So that was my achievement.
Let your score come and then keep watching videos on Yourpedia, so you will get opportunities in IITs. Don't worry. Any other question you have?
Once again, sir, nobody replied to my request, sir, on
what was that?
For sharing the topics of GD, recent GD.
Nobody will reply. Don't worry.
That's why I'm.
that is, you learn with experience. They don't reply to me, but they will not even reply to you. Students don't share. They feel that you are the competitor.
Competitor. So please help us.
See, I'm already helping you. You don't need to know the topics. I'm telling you again and again. Okay. If had that been important, I would have myself provided you those topics. That is not important actually.
No, sir. Actually, my problem is unique, I think.
But today I thought that there is a topic of India-China issue. I thought that because recently, just before the GT issue, shared.
Yes, sir. I also got confused that you're sending these topics, so GD.
No, don't get confused. I will send these for information and just to deviate you from focusing. So don't worry about that. I have sent you the topics, but GD is more than that. It is all about speaking. It is not related to topic. I'm telling you again and again. And you should not prepare it topic specific. You should not do that. You should prepare that in any case, any topic comes, you are in position to speak out. That is how you should train yourself. That will relieve you from any tension. It is not topic. It is not knowledge based. I'm telling you again and again. It is not. It should not be made. And observer is not observing that thing, your knowledge. You understand? So you have to just score better than others, and everybody is having the same kind of knowledge. And if somebody is having more knowledge, he will flaunt it, and the moment he flaunts it, he will get less score. So this is some hidden points you have to understand about GD, right?
Sir, if we prepare, sir, 9-10 topics, sir, evergreen topics, sir, it will be helpful, or sir, it will not be
I don't know whether they will come or not. So see, GD
topics, sir. Sir, if we prepare on COVID, sir, then for any topic come on COVID, we can cover or not, sir? Sir, any topic.
I don't know. I don't know whether you can like COVID impact on pharma sector.
Sir,
second wave of COVID.
So that
COVID is a blessing.
So today you have given challenge into opportunities. So sir.
हाँ, वो knowledge उसको enhance करते रहो ना आप सारे का सारा knowledge.
Okay, sir.
And वो enhance करते रहो.
Right, sir.
I think, sir, we can improve our presence of mind, sir, if we know more topics.
But presence of mind, see, common sense, presence of minds, these come with practice. I'm telling you again and again. Presence of mind भी practice के साथ ही आता है. By birth नहीं होता वो.
Replacing and rescheduling, that will also work. No, what other participants are talking, just take that term and explain in your words. That is it.
True. Structure को follow करो and then do that. That's smart work. That's it.
So at least, sir, please share some evergreen topics like health versus ignorance is blessing. So something like that.
That's what I'm telling you. Go to Europedia Education, this YouTube channel, and on the playlist you see what topics have been uploaded. I was just going through. Suraj told 2 topics yesterday. Relevance of Gandhiji, 3 months back we have put that. I was just Europedia Education channel पे जाओ, वहाँ लिखो relevance of Gandhi and this thing, and you will find the topic there. There was another topic, women are good manager or not. That was also there. And Suraj told one more topic. Suraj, what was the another topic?
Cricket versus other sport.
हाँ, cricket versus other sport. वो भी वहाँ पे था. वो भी वहाँ पे था. तो ऐसे topics आपको मिल जाएंगे कि evergreen, right?
Okay.
So go for those.
Sir, I wanted to ask that whether your PDF platform has a certain set of personality assessment test questions so that I can go through those questions once.
As of now, we have not made that. Actually, we have not kept it there. Okay. So intentionally, we have not kept it because it is highly subjective. It is not objective test. Highly subjective होता है, तो आप assessment कर नहीं सकते. अभी जो भी test हमारे पास psychometric test हैं, उसके बेस पे आपको assessment होता नहीं है. And maybe you end up making wrong assessment of yours and that loses your confidence. तो इसलिए वो assessment test हमने रखा नहीं है अभी तक.
Okay.
हमारा एक ही है कि
faculty, sir, Vijendra sir, from which branch? Electrical, mechanical?
I'm from mechanical, but I teach other subjects like my favorite subjects are economy, polity, history, I'll say PubAd and psychology, and then physics. Physics is my favorite subjects. And mechanical engineering, I'm PhD in that actually. So these are couple of subjects.
Sir, you are doctor, sir. Yes.
So these are couple of subjects. I'm, in one of the university, I applied in 5-10 departments. They shortlisted me for nothing actually. So they said, how can you apply your PhD in mechanical? How can you apply in economy? I said, I'm very good in economy. How can I apply in political science? I said, I'm very good in political science. So that is how it was. But yes, my qualification is in PhD in mechanical.
Mechanical, yeah. My husband is a MTech electrical engineer, sir.
Okay, great.
And myself, I done diploma in electrical engineering.
Okay,
then
great.
I done law, LLB, and working in banking industry from last 20 years, more than 20 years, sir.
Great. So when is your GD, Sadhana ma'am? When are you expecting that?
It will be on 14th, sir.
14th of
Still
February?
date not came, sir. Yeah.
Great.
Probably 14th of Feb, sir.
Great. Chalo, then I think we'll push it tomorrow also, 9:30. We meet tomorrow, 9:30.
Sir, tomorrow is my GD, sir. Any suggestion you want to give me?
Be yourself and just remember whatever we have discussed. and tomorrow you are only going to speak, nobody else will speak.
Okay.
So be confident in that, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay,
Nobody
okay.
speaks over there, Neeraj. That's 100% true. I have
Neeraj,
seen
Neeraj, please tell your branch. Which branch?
Electrical,
you have?
electrical,
Electrical. No?
electrical.
SURL interview, no? SURL
yes.
interview. Oh, okay.
HURL.
Okay. Best of
Okay,
luck.
all the best, Suraj.
all the
Neeraj.
best, Neeraj.
All the best.
Okay, thank you, sir.